Hello everyone. If you are looking for a strategy or a method to help avoid mistakes while speaking English, then stick with me until the end of this video. Today I am going to introduce a fantastic technique that can greatly improve your fluency and help you become more effective at communicating. So I encourage you to watch this video until the very end. The technique I am talking about is the Pomodoro technique. Now, some of you may already be familiar with this, but for those who aren't, let me give you a quick overview. The word Pomodoro is actually Italian for tomato, and this technique is a time management method that breaks work into intervals of 25 minutes. Each 25 minutes session is followed by short break, typically around 5 minutes. This approach helps to break down larger tasks into manageable chunks, allowing you to stay focused and efficient. Using Pomodoro technique can significantly boost your productivity, and in this context, it can really help enhance your English skills by keeping you focused and avoiding mental fatigue. Give it a try. The great thing about the Pomodoro technique is that it's not just for studying, it's a versatile method that can also be applied to language learning and enhancing your speaking skills. Now you might be wondering, how can you use this technique in our everyday life? To improve your English and reduce mistakes, let me explain. To implement the Pomodoro technique for improving your English, here's what you need to do. Set aside 25 minutes each day. You will need a timer for this. Set the timer for 25 minutes, and during this time, you focus solely on speaking in English. Choose a topic to speak about. After setting your 25 minutes, after setting your timer, pick a topic that you can talk about for the full 25 minutes. It can be anything from a random subject like your favorite hobby, a recent movie you watched, a book you read, or even talking about a Bollywood actor or singer. The idea is to practice speaking for an uninterrupted period, which will help you to build fluency and confidence. By following this method regularly, you will not only become more comfortable with speaking English but also reduce hesitation and minimize mistakes over time. It's all about consistent practice and creating an environment where you can focus completely on improving your skills. The success of this technique really depends on you. The next step is simple. Choose a topic and set your timer for 25 minutes. Once you have done that, it's time to begin. Start the timer and begin recording yourself. You can choose to record a video or just an audio clip, whatever makes you feel most comfortable. If you are not ready for video, audio is perfectly fine. For the next 25 minutes, you need to stay fully focused. The key here is to avoid distractions. Why it is important? Well, focusing on one thing for a full 25 minutes helps improve your attention and concentration. By talking non-stop, you build fluency and reduce the tendency to pause or get distracted. It may feel challenging at first, but remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become. All love staying in our comfort zones, right? It's easy to do the things we enjoy. I have started using this method myself, and I can honestly say I have seen noticeable progress. Let me tell you how it works for me. I begin by setting the timer for 25 minutes. Then I record myself speaking on video. Once the timer goes off, I stop the recording and take a 5-minute break. During the break, I watch the video that I record. Here's what I get from it. I can clearly see where I made mistakes and where I pause to think for the right words or sentences. Watching these recordings help me identify areas where I need improvements, whether it's a grammatical mistake or a moment of hesitation. By reflecting on the video, I can correct those errors and improve my fluency. This is how I make daily progress in my English learning. I encourage you to follow the same process. It's an excellent way to identify and rectify mistakes, helping you avoid them in the future and ultimately enhance your skills. As we reach the end of this journey, remember that mastering a language is not a destination but a continuous process of growth and learning. The Pomodoro technique is just one tool in the vast toolkit of methods you can use to improve your English. What matters most is your dedication to practicing embarrassing and the challenges and stepping out of our comfort zone. Each time you speak, record and reflect, you are not just improving your fluency, you are gaining confidence, developing your own unique voice and unlocking new opportunities to self-expression. Yes, it may feel awkward at first. Yes, you may stumble, but each mistake is a step forward. Over time, you will notice the difference, not just in your language skills but in your overall ability to communicate with clarity and ease. So, as you continue this journey, keep the timer ticking, keep recording, and keep challenging yourself. The more consistent you are, the more natural it will become. Before you know it, you will look back and realize just how far you have come. Keep pushing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep speaking. The best version of yourself is waiting for beyond the next conversation. If you like our video, like, share, and for more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.